Get into the 2021 Volkswagen Atlas. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Make all your adventures the best they can be in this well-equipped Atlas. Honest and uncomplicated, this well-built family hauler prioritizes safety, comfort, and connectivity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel prepared for whatever the road has in store in this capable Atlas. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.